Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to add friends in Origin or EA. So there is many ways of adding your friends in Origin. Well, basically the first one is the normal one. Either you search for your friends here after clicking the add friend button that you will find under your profile picture here. You will just add his nickname or the EA ID, or you can, for some people who activated an option that lets you add them by their emails, you can just search them by the email. Or there is another method, is that you can link any of these three accounts, the PlayStation one, Xbox one, or the Steam. Let's try for the Steam. It will open a tab here. Then you just sign in. You sign your account. Then it will require your uh, verification code that you will find on the email of this team. Uh, Here you can find it. You just copy and paste it. Uh, Here is our tab. You just paste it. As you can see, it will require you to sign in, and then you just allow the access to the origin account. You click allow, and then as you can see, our Steam account is linked. And because I don't have any friends on Steam that will use EA, there is no friends here, but they will, trust me, they will be showed here, and then you can just click add on them, and a friend request will be sent to them. That's all. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.